In this video, I will be evaluating this halfway rectifier circuit. I have a sinusoidal input of 60 Hertz, and at the output will be the negative half cycles. I've got a diode in series with a 680 ohm resistor. Now, the first thing I want you to notice is how the diode is situated in the circuit. I've got the cathode toward the input, and the anode is on the resistor side. This has to be this way so that you get the negative half cycle out. I've got a current of 8 milliamps peak. Now I'm going to find the diode voltage. The diode voltage is 0.692 volts. Now, where did I get the voltage from? Because I didn't just make that up. What I did was I put the 680 ohm resistor in series with the diode across a 10 volt DC source. Then I put 5.44 volts across the 680 ohm resistor. Now, this source is a variable DC supply. Then I put my voltmeter across the diode, and the voltmeter gave me a voltage across the diode of 0.692 volts. Now I'm going to find the voltage across that 680 ohm resistor. I've got a current of 8 milliamps peak. So the voltage is 8 milliamps times 680 ohms. And that equals a voltage across that 680 ohm resistor of 5.44 volts. Now I'm going to find the V in peak to peak. So how do I do that? I take the 5.44 volts plus 0.692 volts and I multiply by 2. and that gives me an input voltage peak to peak of 12.26 volts. Now the frequency out, I've got an input frequency of 60 hertz. The frequency in is the same as the frequency out. So the frequency out is also 60 hertz. Now keep in mind that this 5.44 volts is a negative voltage. It's right here at the bottom. This line right here is 0 volts. This is a negative half cycle. So this voltage at its peak is minus 5.44 volts. This comes to the end of the video. Like the video and share it. Thanks for your attention.